Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July. We'll be checking out your past, present and future energies in this reading, and at the end of the reading I'm going to pull out some cards as an advice from the universe for you. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading now. Okay, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. The obstacle for you in the reading is the Ace of Swords. The overall energy of the reading is the Eight of Pentacles. What you are not able to see around you is Justice, Three of Swords, Star, Devil, Seven of Cups. Okay, so the obstacle for you is the Ace of Swords. So I'm really getting an energy where you are trying to clarify, but as an obstacle it is coming up for you here. So it is like you want to clarify some things with the person with whom you are dealing with, but you're not able to clarify. Okay, you want to talk but you're not able to talk. Communication is the key, but you're not able to communicate. Basically you're not getting the clarity why the things are happening the way they are happening. So that is why the obstacle which you might be facing this week, that is what is coming up. So your overall energy is the Eight of Pentacles. So that is what you are already working. You might be working with your pentacles, you might be working for your living. Okay, so this can be something in relation with your job as well, but yes, you are working. You want to fix the things. You want to work for the relationship, because it's already ending. You know, it's a very strong attachment which you are seeing, you know, this. So these 5 cards are something which you are not able to see what is going on in the situation, which is hidden from you. Three of Swords with the Devil energy. So this is more of a toxic energy if you talk about. So you are working for something which is already which is already full of toxins. You were never given the justified answer for the things which are happening. You have always been finding answers. You were never given that justice. You always felt that all the injustice has been given to you. That is why, you know, things are not working your way. You are hoping for the best, Scorpios. You have strong hopes for the things to mend, but still they are not mending, which is hidden from you, the things. Okay, so let's see your past energies with the King of Wands, Five of Wands and the Ace of Cups. There was a new beginning. Definitely this was something new. A new relationship, might be 1 month, 2 months only, or it could be a very long relationship, but it was going really good until there was somebody who started gossiping, who started manipulating your person towards you. You know, this is a third party situation which I'm getting. Although this is Five of Wands, but I'm really getting an intuition that somebody was putting thoughts in your person's mind. It was going very beautiful. Things were really fine at a certain time, but things started to heat up. At present we have Strength, Five of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. You want to work on the situation, but your intuition is saying something else. Your intuition is telling you, you know, there's no hope. You know, although you have strong hopes, you still are hoping, but still you know from within that there's nothing left of the situation. You are feeling somewhere, you are feeling that you are left out in the cold. You are already have done a lot for this relationship, but this person is not even saying a word. It's like they are just sitting, they're not accepting your calls. Strong blockage energies coming up, you know, strong no communication energies. Coming up in the future, we have Three of Wands, the Hangman and Seven of Wands. I think you are done with this person in the coming future, because they are not going to reply. If you are waiting for them to reply, if you are waiting for somebody to take an action, I don't see that action coming. But you are having some kind of self-respect in you. Although Scorpios are always full of self-respect, but in regards with this situation, now that self-respect is coming towards a higher level, and you are not going to, accept whatever they would come with. It's like, no, I'm done with you. That is something which is coming up for you, Scorpios. So let's clarify your reading now. Okay. Okay, so let's see why this Ace of Swords energy is here as an obstacle. Hierophant, Four of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Yes, this was a strong betrayal energy. You were the one who were feeling the victim. You were playing the victim card, because you were the victim of the situation. They always tried to focus the bad, always tried to ignore you, always tried to do harm to you. That is what was coming. So the obstacle is like, no matter you try, no matter, but there's always rejection from their end. I don't see calls answering. I don't see messages reading or replying to the messages, because something is not fine in the situation. Something is not fine. Let's see the overall energy with the Eight of Pentacles. Why this Eight of Pentacles here in the overall energy? Okay, so we have the Star, the Magician, the Five of Cups. You still regret, you regret why are you working on for this relationship. You still regret why are you waiting for them to call you back, why are you doing, but still there's a hope that, okay, once at least call me, once at least talk to me, I want to clarify some stuff. But still strong regrets on your part that I should not be the one who should be doing this. You know that from within, because you are given, you are feeling the injustice which is happening to you. You are feeling that, and that is why whatever you are manifesting them to call you, but still from within you know the answer, and you know why are you doing this. So I'm thinking, I'm really getting that you are actually going to understand, you are going to listen to your intuition at a certain point. King of Wands energy in the past. Who is this King of Wands? Why this King of Wands energy coming up for my Scorpios? Page of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Eight of Wands. They were always the one who were never sure. You met this person, you might have met this person online. You always felt that there's a strong communication between both of you. You might have talked about the marriage and stuff. Everything was going very beautiful at a certain time. But they were always skeptical about the situation. They always never, they might have talked to you about the future energies, about the future between both of you, but they were never sure about it, because they were always so curious, they were always so enthusiastic. At a certain time there's a strong ignition, there's a strong level of fire which is coming up in this relationship. But this fire energy, it travels really fast. So that is why, it traveled so fast that they are now out of the league. So that is why it all happened. So I want to check why this Five of Wands is there. Is there anyone who was manipulating this person of the Scorpios? Who is this person? Okay, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, and Seven of Wands. So this person was the only one. Okay, there could be somebody else as well, but yes, they are the one who were ready to take this decision. They were not ready to take it forward. They were the ones who actually messed up all the situation between both of you. So I don't want you to rely on this person, that why, you know, if they are telling that okay, there's somebody else in my life and something blah blah, I don't see that thing. They just want to end this relationship for their sake, because they have higher ambitions, they have something else in their life, and that is why the ending of this communication and relationship, they are done with this relationship. That is what is coming. Okay, so I want to check why the Strength card is there for my Scorpios. Knight of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Strength again. So you are really standing over there, Scorpios. You are tired, but still you are standing. You are standing strong. You want an answer. You want an answer from them, that why have you done this to me? Why? You know? But they do not have any answer for that, Scorpios. So that is why I'm seeing that you are left out in the cold, and you are feeling that way, that you are the one who is left. I want to check why the Three of Wands is there in the future energies for you. Okay, so this is the Fool, Six of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. So this is somebody who is coming back towards you. Okay, Scorpio, so this is a reconciliation kind of energy which is new all of a sudden. Somebody is taking some risk for getting back with this relationship. It can be you, it can be someone else around you, but yes, this is strong reconciliation energy which has come up with you and your person over here from the past. This might be somebody else from the past, you know, not this person. If somebody else was there, there's a strong coming back, because somebody is ready to say, you know, they have always some or the other kind of excuse that why they are doing this, but they are not ready to take any action towards this relationship, towards this commitment. Although they will come back to you, they will talk to you, there is, you know, at present they might be not talking, but in the coming future I'm seriously getting some strong communication energies, but they will not accept, they will not realize what mistake they have done. They will not take any action in regards with this relationship, but the excuses will always be there, always coming up with excuses. Okay, so let's see why the Seven of Wands is here. Four of Swords, King of Wands, and Justice. So again, I would say that you are not going to accept a person who is not even ready for any commitment at higher level. So yes, you are not going to accept this person. I feel that if you accept them as well, you will accept them first. You will be valuing yourself, because for a Scorpio, their value is at highest level. Your value is something at the peak. You really want to achieve a space in someone's life. You want to get valued by some other people, because you also value them, you also value their feelings. So that is what you also need. You might be dealing with a Pisces, strong Pisces energies. I'm also getting Aquarius, Gemini, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, Aries again. So strong Aries energies are coming up here. What else? Yes, again Aries. Taurus is also here. Leo, strong Leo energies. Libra, Pisces again. So yeah, okay, so I'm going to pull out some cards for you as an advice from the universe about this situation for this week. So what is the advice, please? We have the Sun, Hierophant, and Wheel of Fortune. So see, things are turning in your favor, Scorpio. So just accept what is going on. If this is not going to happen the way you want it, there might be some other way the universe has thought about it. Okay, so accept it, face it, and move on with it. Okay, so things are going to be really fine if you will feel that they are fine. That is the advice for you from the universe. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.